I am praying for you, for your loved one and your families. And I pray that God be with you. I pray that God blesses every single country, every single individual, every single organization that has already helped you. May you be blessed abundantly. May you be blessed to give up more resources to the families stuck right now in Bahamas, to the families of which are yet to be rescued. Let's help them, please. I want to say thank you to all of you who are going to be watching this right now. I want to ask you not to flip the channel or not to tune off these messages once it's all said and done. Don't let this be a movie that you watch for 90 minutes and then you forget the rest of the Bahamians or the families going through this tragic experience in Bahamas. Remember them every day. Help them as much as you can. Tomorrow it might be you. Guys, I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I can relate to what you are going through. And all I can say is that God be with you. Use me, use us in any way that you can possibly ask of us. And we'll be more than happy to avail ourselves to help you in any way possible on our end. And before I go, I'd like to welcome all of you who are coming for the first time. I know this conversation, this discussion is not fun. I wish it was fun, but it isn't. But I want to say, do subscribe, do click follow, do share this story so that another life can be saved. So many lives are yet to be rescued and saved. Please be amongst those making an effort to save another life from the Bahamas and from all other places of which have been affected by Hurricane Dorian. It doesn't matter how much you are able to help, as little or as much as you can help, please do help. Let's not have another Katrina. And let's not wait another life based on our interest as individual, as a community, as countries. Let's help them without any strings attached, please. I want to give you all a huge thanks for taking the time to listen to me. I have so much more to share in due time. This has been Freeman Bikorwa Singirankabo, a son of Rwanda, the land of 1,000 hills, and a son of these great United States of America. Good night to you all.